So it's time to get this leaky little guy right here. That one's leaking. The spring inside has broken inside. It's collapsed, or it was pushed down too hard. Someone messed it up. That was on the high side. So let's see what we got here. That's about right. And we'll put that back into this leaking Toyota from the other day. Actually, what? Let me see if there's a seal on it. Yeah, that has a seal on it. A little bit different. It's always hard to find the exact same match. And as you can see, this is not even all of them. But there's a lot of different brands. And you get them from aftermarket suppliers, and sometimes they're a little bit different every time. Am I getting that right? Hopefully that's it. So what I will do before, let's put a little pressure in that, and let's see. I'm changing this one too, even though this one was not leaking. I'm going to change it because it's just as old. Let's get a little pressure in there. A little nitrogen. Okay, there we go. Got pressure in there. Oh, that seems that's holding. Yep, that's good to go. And I'll do the same for this one. Change that. We'll be on our way. And this one was the one from the other day that had hydrocarbon flammable refrigerant in it. Somebody stuck in it. Also had a high percentage of air stuck in it. And it was the one with that leaky valve right there. And yeah, you always have to have an assortment of valves. All right, I'll get back to this.